When you need to do a currency conversion for your data, and you want to stay as flexible as possible, you can use a variable with derived value in your currency conversion measure. This allows you to make a selection whenever you open the data preview, or your story in SAP Analytics Cloud, and the currency gets derived from the chosen value. If you want to learn the basics of currency conversion first, you can watch the previous video. First, ensure you have imported the TCUR tables into your space. In the editor of your analytic model, click the canvas background and choose Add Measure in the Properties panel. Choose Conversion Measure. Enter a business name and a technical name. Select the source measure, which must be a fact source with semantic type amount with currency. Define the target currency. For my use case, I choose variable. With that, I get a prompt when I use the preview, so that I can choose a value. Choose a reference date for the conversion, as conversion rates vary. I choose the current date. Choose an exchange rate type, which is predefined in the currency conversion table. Now I need to define the variable. I go back to the properties of my analytic model. In the properties of the variable, I can choose to derive the value. I choose a lookup entity. And then the result column for the lookup. The lookup entity has been predefined, and it can also be used in other analytic models. As the lookup entity has an input parameter defined, I need to map it to a variable. This variable is used to derive the currency, so that I don't have to actually know the currency I need to convert to, and rather let the system look it up in the dimension. When I open the data preview, I can choose a country instead of a currency in the prompt. The data gets converted to the currency of the country I have chosen. And that's it. For more information, check out help.sap.com. Thanks for watching.